Hello everyone, take a section of the hair from the front, tie a rubber band to it. Right underneath it, make two more sections, braid the hair, roll it upwards. Tie a rubber band and fasten it in place once you're done. Take a small section of the hair from the front, tie a rubber band to it, roll it in on itself. Taking this section, begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections from the rest of the scalp into this braid. It is like a French braid. Roll this braid upwards. Take a small section of the hair from the top and the middle, make a braid out of it. At the bottom, make a ponytail, roll the ponytail in on itself, make a braid, roll it upwards. Start off by tying a ponytail. Roll it in place as such. Make a braid down the middle. Add a rubber band in the middle. Add multiple rubber bands as such. Use your fingers to puff it out. Start off by taking a section of the hair off the top of the scalp. Take two more sections from either side of the hair, join it at the back. Make two braids at the bottom and roll it up. Take a section of the top at the middle. Make two braids out of it. Take another section from the front and then attach it to the braid and tie a rubber band. Do this right underneath it two more times. Join this at the back. Leave the rest of the hair free. Add a bow. Next, take a section of the hair from the front. Make two braids at the top and then make a ponytail at the bottom. Add multiple rubber bands, make a braid at the bottom, roll it up. Divide the top portion of the hair, tie a rubber band to it. Lift it up slightly to make this heart, make two braids out of it. Roll it upwards. Add a ribbon once you are done and then tie a bow with it. Take a small section of the hair from the front of the scalp and begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair from the scalp into this braid. However, do it within the central partition as such. Once you are done braiding the hair, roll it upwards, add multiple rubber bands. Add a ribbon to the top of the scalp. Divide the front portion of the hair. Now, using the ribbon as a section, begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections from the front part of the scalp into this braid. Join it at the back. Make two more braids at the bottom. Crisscross it, roll it upwards, fasten it in place, and then make a bow shape out of it. Section off the top of the hair and then make two braids out of it. Make a bow shape out of it. Use a hair stick. Fasten the ends in place. Make two braids at the bottom and roll it upwards. Make two divisions at the bottom and then make two ponytails. Make a braid with the rest of the hair and make a bun out of it. Add a decorative clip. Divide the hair into four portions. Make two ponytails at the top. Make two braids at the bottom. Roll the braids upwards. Make a bun on either side after braiding the hair. Divide the hair into four portions as such. Add multiple rubber bands on the top left side and the bottom right side. Make two buns on either side. Divide the top section of the hair, tie a ponytail out of it. In the bottom, make two braids. For the top, twist the hair and then roll it up into a bun. Add a decorative rubber band once you are done, or a clip. Start off by tying a ponytail, add a ribbon through, divide it into two portions. Using a portion of the ribbon as a section in the braid, make two braids out of it. Crisscross them and make it into a bun. Thank you for watching.